Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. We got a good one. This is a 2026 Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition, model number 333VMI. So let's get started. The length on this Sporttrek is 36 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 9,270 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,250. GVWR 10,810. All right.
Yeah, this one is going to have, I think, a lot of things that you're going to like. There may be a few drawbacks, so we will point those out. But right off with getting started, in case you guys did not know, Venture's parent company is KZ, which we personally have a KZ product, so we will vouch for those. Let's start right here at the front. This is going to have the BAL auto leveling system, which is really impressive. You're going to be able to put two good size propane tanks behind that cover, and of course your batteries are going to go right down here. Now this is where part of the issue is. There's just not going to be a lot of outside storage, and it tells you specifically that this is not a storage compartment. Says so right there. This is where this is.
That's your sine wave inverter.
Yeah. So that's one of your drawbacks. Is going to be the outside storage on this one. But there's so much to like about this one that may not be a big deal to you guys. This is going to have rack and pinion rack and pinion slides, not steering, on this side. So let's come down here and take a look at it. As you can see, this is the Touring Edition. Right here is going to be your docking station, and you do have an outside shower in that also. You've got your dump area right there. Pools are going to be up on the frame.
Tankless water heater.
Yes. That seems very high, or maybe I'm very short or something.
You're very short.
I'm not sure. Okay, now here's going to be some storage. We're a little bit close to this other unit, but let's see if we can show you this.
Ooh, that's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's not bad. This is actually going to be under your bed. It's not going to be very tall storage, but it is going to give you some outside storage. Now here at the back, this is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You do have a ladder, and you are going to have a receiver hitch for an accessory rack.
Oh.
And I see some little blue lights.
They got little blue
there.
lights under here.
Yeah, I don't know if this is going to show up on the camera, but that is really
spares
nice.
over there too, if you see it.
Yeah, your spares up under there. Oh, maybe you can see it under there. Love the little lights. Okay, here on your campsite, you've got two awnings. One is 16 feet and one is 10.4.
Yeah.
Good buddy. Okay. As you can see, this is going to have two entries. That's one of those things that I'm not really sure that it needs two entries, but you've got them in case you want them. Now, this might make up for not having just a whole lot of outside storage. You have got this. Yeah, we're real close, so we can't get all the way up, but a little bit bigger outside fridge. This looks like a 40-inch TV outside.
Well, it kind of looks like.
Yeah, and then you've got a speaker and some USBs. You got a sink, your pull-out griddle here, and then you've got a storage drawer right over there. And your quick connect is going to be under here somewhere. There it is, right back there. This is an amazing outside kitchen. It
Yeah, I
really
do like
is.
this.
We do have one tiny little storage space to show you right at the front. I mean, let's not get just real excited about it. There's your lights for your front cap. But hey, if
Got tire link.
yeah. So that's going to be kind of the downside to this one, but you get this awesome outside kitchen. But there's a lot to love about this inside, so let's take a look.
Ooh.
So as you can see, this is a front living, which is not what you usually see in a travel trailer. And this one is extremely well done. As you can see, you've got your sofa right up here at the front. This is going to make into sleeping if you need it. They give you end tables on both sides, and then you've got this ledge across here. Of course, it is at the front, so they have to do that to give you a little space for the sofa. But you've got blackout shades, storage up here across the top.
Wow.
Power on both sides of this. So, I mean, very nice. KZ is going to put your heating in the floor in these. And then turning over here, you do have a theater seat, pull down with cup holders and some power in there. This one is actually going to have heat and light and USB. Gives you a little more storage up here across the top. Blackout shades in here. Now when you turn around and you have a seat on this theater seat, you've got a really nice entertainment center over here. I'm just going to tell you guys. So this is going to give you looks like a 50-inch TV.
I don't know, you're going to make me measure, don't you?
I am going to make you measure it.
Yes, it is.
Yay.
Oh, you have to
And
get
there
close
is
to
a
it.
sound bar, and you do have an electric fireplace on this. But then guys, you've got some amazing storage. So you don't have storage outside, but you've got some great storage inside. So very nice. And let me just show you this floor space in here. So if you like to have extra people over or like to entertain, or you have a big giant dog like we do, you got lots of floor space in here for that. We're going to finish out this front slide here with the dining area. I like this configuration. It's a little different. You actually have traditional chairs on this side, and then you've got like stools on this side that don't have a back. So
and they also open.
yeah, so they open for storage, so you can move them around if you want to use them in front of your sofa to prop
You
your
can
feet on.
actually use them as TV trays.
Yeah, so yeah, the cushion comes off.
Yes.
So yeah, move them around as you need them. Really nice. Big window here, so this would be great for those mornings to sit there and drink your coffee.
Yep.
And watch what's going on in the campground. And
Watching all the neighbors get into it.
hey, we like to watch other people back in because it's entertaining. Okay, this island is just a great prep area. So there's no holes cut in it, no sink or anything. So it's all prep area, and it is solid surface. You have got great storage underneath it, a perfect spot for your garbage can. Some drawers right there. Over here, you are going to have a pantry, and it has adjustable shelves. And next to that is going to be your 12-volt compressor fridge. It's going to have the fridge at the top, and then your pull-out freezer at the bottom.
Yes. And it is on.
And it is on, and it is draining our batteries. There we go.
Oh.
And so finishing out this slide is going to be your microwave with a really neat Envision hood there. I love that. 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and Venture is going to give you a cutting board every time. So not only does it look great, it functions well. And then you have got a nice drawer down here for some pots and pans. So,
Okay.
yeah, your sink area is going to be over here, and they're going to give you some really good storage across the top. I love the light colored cabinets in here, so it just kind of helps make it nice and bright. A solid surface around your sink, nice big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet, sprayer, and then you've got some really good storage underneath your sink.
Yes.
So yes, I love all this space in a front living travel trailer.
We haven't seen one of these in a while.
No, it's been a while. You do have some power right here at the corner of your island. So when you come down the hall, your controls are going to be right up here where you can get to them. Right here. Now, the bathroom.
Oh, well, my gosh.
Oh, okay. All right.
I can't even get that out
well,
there.
that little clip is clipped in there. Very good. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere.
There it went. All right.
Maybe it would just help if we knew how to open it.
There.
Okay. Same old spiel. Jeremy is 6 feet tall, and there is a skylight up here, so please don't.
30 by 36.
30 by 36. This is actually the same size as our shower, so we know that it works very well.
You can dance in here.
There is an exhaust fan in here. There's going to be a little bit of a step up getting into it, but it's not going to be bad. You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet here at a little bit of an angle. Now we could not give this one the golden plunger because there's no real linen storage. You're going to have to roll your towels up and put them up there. But hey, it'll work.
Mm-hmm.
You do have a nice big medicine cabinet though. So I mean, that is really nice. Nice area around your vanity and your sink here, so you've got good space there. And then there is some storage underneath the sink. So, is there a heating in here?
Yes, over here.
Oh, heating. Yes, right over there.
And it also comes with Level Mate Pro.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
And a nightlight.
I like that.
Oh, and I just ran into this door.
Wow.
Because I'm a klutz. Okay, here in the main bedroom, you are going to have a king-size bed. And there is some storage underneath, and if you remember, there was storage on the other side of this that you accessed from the outside. They give you shelves on both sides, storage across the top. You've got power on both sides, USB, and then there is also C charging. Yeah, love this. While we're back here, let me show you this nice big window at the very back. You are going to have AC in here, and your TV will go right up there if you want to add that. You do have a really nice hanging area over here, and it is prepped for a washer dryer combo. So if you want to add that into that closet right there, it's ready for you. Then down here at the foot of the bed, you've got your dresser area, 3 drawers, got some cabinets on both sides. You've got another hanging area here, and then that hidden storage. And yeah, I mean, really nice storage in the bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
And the second door is in here. Again, this was one of those, I'm not really sure why you would need a second door in this one, but you've got it. So if you need to load something up in a hurry, you can go in 2 different ways. All right, guys, tell us what you think about this one with the rear bedroom and the front living.
I love it.
In a travel trailer.
Myself.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. If you like this, what are we in?
Venture Sporttrek.
Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition. If you like this, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.